Number 3, putting together your resume when applying for a corporate job dito sa Canada. Naka-importante is to change many of your resumes to suit the opening that you are applying for. This would mean you would have a different resume for every type of job that you are applying for. If you are applying as an architectural designer, it means your resume would focus more on design. A good way to do that is to look at the opening, yung mismong opening na gusto mong applyan, and then mimic the words that they use doon sa actual opening, like yung mga requirements and qualifications. You try to mimic that and put that on your resume para kung if an AI is going through the resumes, mapipick up niya yung sayo, and then you will get the chance for an interview. Again, you have to live with the times, and kung totoo nga nagagamit sila ng AI, at least safe ka. You will still get the call. And pag natawag ka, nasa sayo na yon kung makukuha mo ang job or hindi. I hope that helps, and I hope that you have a beautiful day.